Wow. Hi guys, welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're one of my subscribers. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. So, I don't know, I announced it on my Instagram, but I don't know how many of you follow my Instagram, obviously. So, I am now officially sponsored by Maguire's for this car show season. It's my first sponsorship I've ever had, so it's awesome. I just got all, I don't know if this is everything, but this just arrived today, is all my car cleaning stuff that they sent. I have no idea what's in these. It's a lot of boxes. I'm going to go through this real quick and open it up and see all this sweet stuff that they sent me. And Mcguire's, if you're watching this, thank you so much. I cannot wait to use these, whatever new products there are that I might not have tried yet. I don't know if you guys know, yes, I do have other cleaning stuff I bought this year because I wanted to try something different. And then I heard about the Mcguire sponsorship program, so I signed up for it. I already almost solely use Mcguire's products on my car as it is in my Jeep. So now it's even better, is now I'm going to have, you know, put their sticker on my car and be their brand ambassador for this year. So hopefully my car gets a lot of publicity. I'm going to be going to more shows this season than I normally do, and hopefully I've got a lot of stuff planned for my car, like a lot of stuff coming for my car. So holy wow. So it's got the ultimate compound. So this is a box that is completely, you got to see this. So this is the ultimate compound, color correct, before and after. It's like the ultimate compound, but it is like the whole box is full of that. To make it easy, that makes it easy, real easy to bring to car shows to clean your car. That is awesome. The next thing we have, bring some to the show, show people how it works. Wow. Okay, so this whole box is 6 bottles, and I already use this. I love this stuff, the ultimate quick detailer. So the Mcguire's quick detailer, it's 6 bottles of this. That's a lot. Look at that, 6 bottles of that. What else we got in here? There is so much cleaning stuff. I don't even know if I'm going to end up being able to use all of it this year. No, I can't give this away, nor sell it. This is for my car, and I'm definitely going to make use of it. Definitely going to make use of it, especially considering I have my SRT8 and my car. Oh, I've never used this before. Ultimate waterless wash and wax. Never used this before. I will definitely love trying this out. Again, this comes with 6 bottles of this. It seems like 6 of everything. This is crazy. I don't know what's in this really big box, but sheesh. Oh wow, sweet. Can never have too many. Can never have too many. Maguire's microfiber wash mitt. They're microfiber towels, because like I've said in other videos, you can never have enough microfiber towels. And then two more small boxes inside the big box. So let's check this out. Box number 1 is, this is a lot of stuff. No lie, it's a lot of stuff. This is awesome. Jeez, oh wow, okay. So this has a bunch of different things in it. So this has another bottle of the ultimate waterless wax, another bottle of the ultimate quick detailer, a bottle of the reflect foam for your tires. I've never used this before. Reflect shine. I usually use the Mcguire's, I forget the name of it. Another thing of the ultimate compound, so that way when I'm at the house. And then what's this? Wash Plus, Mcguire's It's a car wash plus a whole lot more. Cleans tough dirt and removes bugs and tar, and polishes away light scuffs. Ooh, I need this. I definitely need this. Sorry if that's blurring. I definitely need this. That's awesome. Alright, so that's this one. What else we got here? There's a lot of cleaning stuff. Let's go. What's in this one? Still 2 boxes left. Oh, sweet. I was actually going to go pick some of these up. I don't need to now. A box. So I have the Maguire's, the gold class applicator pads. A nice water magnet drying towel. Ooh, I have different towels, but I'm not a big fan of drying your car with towels. I have like a little wipe thing that I wipe off, like a plastic wipe thing I wipe off first, and then I use like a soft towel. But I'm definitely going to try that out. Mcguire's Perfect Clarity. I actually have this in my garage as it is. I don't know if it's the exact same bottle, but one more. We have the Ultimate Interior Detailing. I already have a bottle of this. Hold on, wifey wants something. Alright, so the wifey had to let the dogs out. That's my Rottweiler Pepper. So the battery on the camera died, so it's chaos in my house all the time. Got home from work, so now you can see what I fight with all the time. What I was showing is it had a Ultimate Interior Detailing. I actually use this on my car as it is. I don't know if this is a newer, like a different newer product, a different version of it, I'm not sure. Then we've got metal polish, which I have not used for my rims. I typically use something else. I won't name it, but I'm definitely going to try this for this season because I want to use as much of their products as I can to see really how it looks and show off my nice car. Ultimate Black Tire Coating. See, this is similar to what I use. This is a little different, but I do use the Mcguire's like Tire Shine, but this is like a Ultimate Black Tire Coating. So this is a little different. I usually use the shine stuff that you rub it on with a sponge, and I have sponges actually specifically for that. Then I have the Ultimate Fast Finish. This is a new product. So the Ultimate Fast Finish. I'm definitely interested in trying that as well. So I'm assuming maybe these are all the new products that they're coming out with. I'm not sure. Sorry if the camera's cutting me off here. I'm just trying to get everything in here. And then the final bottle. This sounds like metal. This definitely sounds like metal bottles, like spray bottles, like paint bottles almost. Yeah. So it is six cans of the Hot Shine Tire Coating. 6 bottles of this stuff. That's like crazy. So that's everything. What do you think? This is sponsorship. This is what it's like. I guess there's gonna be another package coming that's gonna have my car stickers and decals for my car, because I'm gonna be putting a sticker for Maguire's and a bunch of other stuff for when I take it to the car show. This season I have a bunch of stuff on order. I've said it in some of my past videos. I have a carbon fiber steering wheel, carbon fiber rear duckbill spoiler, all ordered, a full LED interior exterior kit that I can control from my phone, that you can change the colors, have it to go to your music, and a bunch of other stuff. I'm totally getting my car ready for the show season. I got all those braces installed. I still have one more to do. I'm going to be probably doing those before this as far as showing the video. So again, thank you for watching. Check out my other videos. You might have to sort through my channel. My main page, I do have like them sorted out by like my car stuff and my dogs, and I try to like keep them separate for the playlist so you can watch what you prefer. But again, don't forget to hit that subscribe. Bye.